Okay, in today's video we're going to be looking again at a site called Swagbucks. We're going to be looking and doing a review, a 2021 review. We're going to show you what's different, what they've upgraded, what they've added, and also stay tuned right to the very end. I'm going to show you where you can go and collect 300 bonus swag points just for joining, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. And I'm also going to show you how quick and easy it is to get paid out with Swagbucks. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, this is obviously Swagbucks here, and it's basically a site where you can go earn points by shopping online, watching entertaining videos, doing web search, answering surveys, and you can also do a couple of other things as well now, and I'm going to show you that very shortly. Then once you've earned those points, you can then transfer those into gift cards, or you can take out cash via PayPal. As you can see, they've paid out a huge amount. Swagbucks is one of the oldest sites around and is still paying out today. So it's totally legit, and I'm going to show you obviously at the end of this video how easy it is to get paid with Swagbucks. So let's dive into my account quickly and show you a little bit more about Swagbucks and what is entails. And as you can see, we've come onto my account here. Across the top here, there's various different things you can obviously answer. This will be surveys. You can shop. This means that you can shop on different sites and get paid some cash back. So as you can see here, there's various sites on my one. Look, 5% cash back on Boohoo, Microsoft, Hotels.com. You've got Argus, Superdrug, Nike. There are many sites, and obviously mine being the UK, it's more UK orientated as well, which is good. So if you're from the US or something, this will probably have things like Walmart and things like that on it as well. But one thing I did notice was the magic receipts. So this is the new feature they've got, which is called magic receipts, and it basically means turn any receipt into cash. Okay, so if you've bought this particular item, you can actually add it to the list and buy it, and then you would get, just submit your receipt and you get the points allocated, the Swagbucks allocated to it. So that is a new feature there that I haven't seen before. And again, this is various different items, and they probably will vary depending on the country you live in. So there's also various other things. You've got travel. Now, obviously, with the world opening back up again after the pandemic, you've basically got all these travel places that you can actually get cash back for. So you can get a percentage back most of the time. You've also got the train line, Groupon, Great Escapes. All of those are good, popular companies used in the UK. Look along to Discover, obviously the Discover home channel here, games and sites you can go and sign up for and earn money. And this is probably one of the quickest ways you can actually earn some Swagbucks, guys. Look, if you actually wanted to go and earn 10,000 Swagbucks, you could sign up for an eToro account, which is a cryptocurrency site. You can also earn things like, you've got the 888 Casino, you can earn 4,000 Swagbucks there. And you can also get paid now for playing some games on your actual phone. So if we head over to the Games tab, and as you can see, loads of different games here that you can actually just download to your phone and actually start playing. As you can see, some of them gives you a good amount of money. 3,500 Swagbucks, 2,000 Swagbucks, 4,500 Swagbucks. This one you can earn up to 13,000 Swagbucks. Okay, now there are limits obviously of what you've actually got to do for each game, so read those carefully. But as you can see, just for playing games, guys, you could earn some decent money here. So other things like you can say you've got as well is obviously you've got the plays, you've obviously got mobile apps. Now, as you can see here, they've got various different mobile apps. So you can download just the Swagbucks mobile app. They've also got Swagbucks Live, quizzes and things like that, and questions, and win cash directly off of that. You've got Swagbucks Watch, which means you can watch entertaining videos. If you're into videos, you can just do that on your phone. Swagbuck Answer is more on the surveys. You've got movie clips as well. That's only available on Google Play, and so is Sportly. So if you're into your sports, you could watch videos about your favorite sports just on your phone and get paid. And there's also an entertainment one as well. Again, that's only on Google Play at the moment. But again, you could watch entertaining videos all about entertainment. So as you can see, they've got most bases covered, and there's various ways and easy ways that you can actually earn with Swagbucks now. Before I go and show you how easy it is to actually pull out your money with Swagbucks, let's just go and show you how you can actually earn your 300 Swagbucks for free. So if you go over to the refer and earn, and as you can see here, when you refer someone, you and your referral get 300 Swagbucks bonus when your referral earns 300 bucks within their first 30 days. Okay, so you have to earn actually 300 bucks within your first 30 days, and then I would get the bonus. And I think you have to earn actually 2,500 Swagbucks to redeem your 300 Swagbucks. So you do have to do a bit of work to get that free bonus, but you're going to be on there anyway. And like I say, if you downloaded one of the games, most of those you're going to get paid more than 2,500 bucks for anyway. So that is you covered straight away. So you've got your 300 Swagbucks bonus now, and you can do that to get your bonus by clicking the link in the description below if you haven't already joined Swagbucks, and just follow the process. So once you've got that bonus, you're going to be ready to pull out because you're going to have loads of Swagbucks in your account. So if you then come over to the rewards tab here and click on rewards home, now as you can see, there are loads of different gift cards you can buy, and you also do PayPal, and that's what we're going to go and do today. And as you can see, there's a 30% off at the moment, so 700 Swagbucks is what you need to actually go and pull out £5 worth in PayPal. And as you can see, I've quickly gone and got some Swagbucks in my account, so I can show you how easy it is to actually pay out again. So just click on the PayPal, just read the terms here, and then all you've got to do here is say claim gift card. So we want to proceed this one-time account verification using one of these methods. So we're going to do it via text. I'll quickly put my mobile number in there and put a text. Okay, so I've verified my account with that, so that's great. So we can now continue, and it just needs to prepare your PayPal to receive the funds. So what you need to do here is put in your first name and last name. So that's fairly easy to do. So we'll put that in, and then we'll just put confirm. We've got my address here. So your name and address needs to go in there. So obviously okay, so I put in my name and address there, and all we need to do now is confirm that. So there we go, that's all it is. You've just verified your gift card, and check your email for delivery instructions. Okay, so you now need to just whiz over to your email. Okay, so you've got here, my order has been verified for my PayPal. It says your rewards are often delivered in 2 to 3 days, but in some cases could take up to 10 business days. So there we go. I've verified my account, and I've pulled out my PayPal into my PayPal account £5 from Swagbucks. So that's how easy it is to go and redeem your points for PayPal money. And of course you can do this for other things as well, such as gift cards and that as well. So if you are ready to go and earn some extra cash, then Swagbucks is a great way. It's a legit site. It's a great way you can go and earn some extra cash. And it will only be extra cash, guys. You're not going to earn a full-time living at this. But if you do want to earn more money online, then check out my #1 recommendation in the link in the description as well. That you can build up into a full-time income online just by following the system that we've put in place. So there you go, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, obviously give us a big thumbs up. This is a whole list of other similar sites that you can go and use as well, because you can do this over 4 or 5 different sites, and yeah, that money, that extra $5, $10, $20 a month or whatever will soon mount up, and you will get a reasonable amount. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today, and we'll see you on the next. video.